Hi guys, welcome to Crazy 2 Forever, and there's no better way to introduce Valparai. So we are in Valparai and we'll be there here for 2 days and we'll be visiting a number of places and waterfalls. Since we have come in September, it's one of the best seasons here and the waterfalls are always full, the rivers are beautiful, the greenery is at its best. And we are having a lot of passenger traffic in this car, including this one behind and these people. Hi. And taking us all through. What's your name?
Vimal.
Vimal Raj. So he's taking us through Valparai, and we'll be also adding his details, his number, and how you can book this person because he's having an amazing car and he took us to a lot of places which are also private. So I'll be adding this in the description also. So this is the entrance to Valparai. You have to pay a small amount of less than 100 for the forest preservation and enter. Welcome with this brimming waterfall. While you climb Valparai, you have many viewpoints like a waterfall and a dam to visit. Since it was getting darker, we planned to do it on the third day while departing from Valparai. We traveled by car from Tamram to Valparai, 2 drivers, me and Ashutosh, 562 kilometers in 12 hours. Started around 4 in the morning and it's 4:30 now. You can reach here by train as well. The nearest station would be Palakkad, Coimbatore or Pollachi. You can also travel by bus. So we booked this Hotel Saravana Grand, a really good one. Valparai is a very small place, very few hotels and a restaurant too. They have a good separation between the bedroom and the bathroom and have a dressing area as well. You have good geyser facilities in the bathroom. Light on. This is the bathroom and there is a geyser. It's quite big, clean. Sorry, I forgot to show you the sink side. So to the right there is a big sink and a very big mirror. So this is a 4-bedroom. So we are going down and this is the reception area of Hotel Saravana Grand. Just when you step out from here, you can find this Green Hills Hotel, which is an open restaurant and you cannot dine in. You just have to take away. Try the upma here. This is one of the best. So let's begin our wonderful journey. I'll also put in the description box the whole itinerary which you can refer to. Now September is the best month to come here because Valparai is only about the serene green beauty, the dams and the waterfalls. September is when it starts to rain. You won't have too much rain also. You'll have an apt climate with short rains, drizzles that will make your trip amazing. I didn't understand why people post Valparai is dangerous, why not to go to Valparai and all that stuff. It's absolutely fantastic and it is very less crowded and it's a very calm place. If you can see, it has started drizzling already. Our first destination was this Balaji temple. Since photography was prohibited, this is the only video I took here. All the way you travel, you can come to see small waterfalls like this one. Yes, and you can drink the water from them too. It's very pure. ठंडा है कैसा है हाँ
Okay guys, so we are in Valparai and we have our own hired guide. So he is Vimal. Meet Vimal, Mr. Vimal. यहाँ पे भी there is no danger of corona. Here we have checked his temperature and all. That's why I'm standing so close to him without mask and all. And he's also without mask. So we are adhering to the norms. So this is his vehicle. You can hire this vehicle. We will put down the number in the description box. He is nice, friendly, and talks a lot about the local area. So he will work as a guide as well as your tour taker. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, we always hire a car when on an hill station, and here also we hired for 2 days and we don't use our own car because we don't know the local area here, and driving in a mountainous area can be risky without knowing the local topography. Also, we can all enjoy the sight at the same time. He knows how to enjoy. This dog sat here all the time enjoying this waterfall. Welcome to our next destination, the Angle River. An amazing flowing water with soft stones all over the surface. Hello? So this is the other side of the river. So there's a bridge and we went to the left and this is the right. So here's another waterfall, but we are not allowed to go down because there were a lot of accidents here. But otherwise the view from here was good as well. You should try the lemon tea here, it's very good. And tea in a hill station tastes actually different and good. Agree or not? Do leave it in the comment box. Look at the beautiful hills, all filled with tea trees. So tea plantation is what happens here on a very large scale. So we are at Nallamudi viewpoint. And from here you can see so many waterfalls. Since we came at a very good time, the fog was not hiding at all and we could see waterfalls for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then it was all covered with fog. So if you see, there's no tea plantation here. This is the actual forest and the waterfalls are flowing from within the forest. The crowd is also very less, so before everybody comes to know about Valparai, do visit it. So we just spent some around 20 to 30 minutes here enjoying the whole view. And it started raining again. The best part is when we were in the car it was raining and when the destinations arrived it stopped raining. So thank you Rain Bhagwan. So the tea laborers have to work all round the year, whether it's sunny or raining cats and dogs. For that they are provided with shelter, basic hospital facilities and education for children. Each person is paid around 10,000 and you can see the people who are working there. This is the type of house that they are given. They share the houses. And there are small schools that are built in every area as well. The fog, the shrubs, the trees, the climate made this whole trip so much worth. Though there are very few destinations to visit, but वो कहते हैं ना, सफर में जो मजा है, वो मंजिल में कहाँ. Again, before this place gets crowded with tourists and becomes a hotspot tourist place, visit it. Keep it in your next travel list or your bucket list. I have provided you all the details in the description box. Will you come here? Do comment too. If you have already come here, let us know your experience in the comment box. If you have any questions, face any doubts, then freely comment. We'll always be there to help you. Moving ahead, we are going to a dam which is almost near the border of Kerala. Right in front of me is the Kerala border. And now we are heading towards the Sholayar Dam. Welcome to the Sholayar Dam. As I said before, it's because of this season you see water flowing and this beautiful view right in front of you. Now we are on the top of the dam and yes, no words. Sometimes you can find peace of mind by transferring yourself to different stations. They are just reminders to stay calm and happy. We are heading back to our hotel for the next beautiful day to come and it's already getting dark, but though you cannot really say or distinguish between evenings and mornings because of the climate, it's always like an evening. It's already 5 and yes, we are returning back to the hotel. There are a lot of bikers you can see on the way who are enjoying their trip in this mild rain or drizzle. There was this coffee shop we spotted, amazing one. It's a small place, so you can see this coffee shop. Yahi hai city, itna hi hai. So you can always locate this shop. It's very good. They have a lot of varieties of cakes, pastries, tea, coffee. So it's the second day in Valparai here and we are traveling to dams and I don't know which places we'll be seeing in the vlog. It's raining quite heavily and one thing I like about this place is when we reach the destinations the rain stops. I don't know, it stops only for us. I don't know. There's a herb that you find here, our driver was saying, which is called cinchona. So it was treated, it was used to treat malaria and you can find these plants in the deep forest here. This looks so haunted, right? But it's a tea factory. So we are moving towards Neerar Dam. It's on another hill and it's in a different way. That's why we are covering it in the second day. We'll also be going to the Tiger Reserve today. It takes like half of the day. So if you want to go to Tiger Reserve, then plan your day accordingly. Or else you can cover some other few viewpoints if you're not going to the reserve. So this is the entrance of the dam. You can also go down, they have steps, and you can view the flow of the water from below. चलो इस बेफिक्र दुनिया को खुल कर जीते हैं, सब काम छोड़ो यार, पहले एक कप चाय पी लेते हैं। ऐसे ही बहुत फॉग हो जाता है एंड इट्स रेनिंग ऑल्सो, तो समटाइम्स इट्स लाइक आगे का रोड ही नहीं दिखता है एंड इट्स रियली स्केरी। तो एक लोकल ड्राइवर को ही हायर करिए प्लीज़, जब भी आप हिल स्टेशंस पे जाते हो तो उसमें आपके लिए भी सेफ्टी होता है एंड दे आर ऑल्सो यूज टू द रोड्स, दे नो वेयर टू एंड हाउ टू ड्राइव। And look who we found, a Nilgiri tar. Like we heard so much कि Valparai में there are a lot of animals that you can see on roads like bisons and tigers ये सब, and we were like really disappointed कि हमें कुछ दिखा ही नहीं, but चलो ट्रिप का कुछ तो वर्थ हुआ। If you're planning to visit the tiger reserve, please get yourself some food packed because you don't have many restaurants on the way and I don't want you to die hungry because we were so hungry. So we have arrived at the Annamalai Tiger Reserve, which is in Pollachi, and it's around 70 kilometers from Valparai. So the policeman checks if you don't have any plastic items or garbages in your car, which you tend to throw outside. We got our tickets here and let's start with the pros and cons of visiting Annamalai Reserve. So firstly, this reserve, the way it's so amazing. It's like the second Hawaii forest or the Jurassic jungle. We have to actually climb at the top and then only the safari will start. We are just now driving in our own car and woohoo, jackpot, we found bisons. There were so many of them, a herd of them here. One tip, when you're entering, don't please honk because there's no traffic also, because if you honk, the animals which are near to you will eventually run away and you will end up seeing nothing. Another pro tip, call the reserve if you're visiting and check if the reserve is open on that day or not. Also, please go in the first morning slot itself, because once you start the safari and cabs keep going into the jungle, the animals will know there's a lot of noise and they'll not come. You can't even see them. If it's the first trip in the morning, then you can spot a few animals. We have arrived at the destination and I could see a chittal standing there. It's a spotted deer. This is how the entrance look. They charge around 1,500 per person, and please take cash because their credit card machine is sometimes not working and they won't accept it. You will end up not getting a jeep, so take cash in hand. So we are starting the safari in this jeep and we have two kids with us. Hi. And this is our jeep. Looks cool already. So let's maintain silence and see if we can spot some animals. So many monkeys, langurs here. I don't know exactly which type of monkey or they fall in, but yeah, they are monkeys. Now this, we found an elephant. But after seeing the chain that was tied to its leg, we didn't feel really good because this is supposed to be a reserve. And here is a bunch of spotted deers, yes, free, inside the jungle. I had to zoom out a little because they were not visible on the camera. So we are in between the safari and there's an elephant bath over here. So yes, all these elephants, I don't know whether they are in their natural habitat or why they are chained. I really don't understand. But there's an elephant bath that is done here. I mean, they bath the elephants, and the elephants also enjoy it. But somewhere this chain thing did not really please me. But yes, this is a rare scene to see, and don't lose heart if you did not spot a tiger or a rare species, because we are in their home secretly watching them. If you're lucky, you'll surely see one. Look at this elephant. He's like, oh, I'm so tired. So back to the jeep, and these were the animals we spotted in the whole safari. It's for 1.5 hours, and then you have a museum here which is free for the ticket, wherein it's very informative for children and for us also. There are a lot of informations on the birds, the type of birds that you can find in the reserve. Yes, these are all in the reserve, but it's on you, on your luck, if you are able to spot it. And actually we were shocked that there are so many species in this reserve, but we couldn't see. That's why I suggested you to go in the first slot. We were in the last slot of the day. So tigers, lions, elephants, there are so many. And yes, they also provide accommodation, so you can stay right in the middle of the jungle. I will give the link of the site in the description box as well. Also, they have a small game here. It was not functioning right now, so we did not play. But yes, when it does function, if you're there, do play this game. It's like a quiz. Heading back to the hotel, tomorrow we are leaving Valparai by 8 in the morning, and we will visit few more viewpoints or falls down on the way. वापस थोड़ा चाय पी लो. On this, remember the quote: life is like a cup of tea. It depends on how you make it.
ठंडा है पर धंधा है.
ये बहुत हो गया, अब थोड़ा सा enjoyment भी हो जाए. So we did a little masti and all on the way. Oh my god, this is going to be amazing. Hospital plus waterfall. If you overspeed, you end up here, but still you can enjoy Valparai while on bed since there is a waterfall here. So good morning, next day here, and we are departing Valparai and we are climbing down. Both the ways are the same one. There's no separate way. It's like a two-way. And this is another viewpoint here. You can there's a dam that is in the starting point of Valparai where we gave the entry fees. And look, again, these guys are so many, and they're all in the mountains. I wonder how they climb up, and they climb so easily as well. And here is the Monkey Falls. It's a wonderful waterfall. There's another dam nearby, which is the Alia Dam. We'll not be visiting that because we don't have time, and then we'll have to night drive, which we normally avoid. We don't drive at nights. So if you have time, do visit that dam also. It's very big and it's beautiful as well. Beware of leeches in Valparai. Don't step on grasslands just like that. It was a baby leech, and when I pulled my pants up to enjoy the waterfall, it got crushed and died. The blood flow was continuous, and we applied layers of nail polish on it, and only after a while the flow stopped. Hope you enjoyed the tips and the pros and cons, and put Valparai in your next wish list. Here are some beautiful photos we clicked in Valparai. Do subscribe to our channel to know about our travel vlog and help you plan yours. Also, click on the bell icon. Only then you will get notifications of all the videos we post. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye bye.